How to create account in Lorex. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up or create a new account. First of all, open the application. Now, after you open the application, this interface will pop up. Now, tap on sign up. Here, you must enter the location. Now, tap on next. Here, you must fill up your name, last name, and enter your email address. So, enter the details that you want to put on. So here you must even enter the password. Here you can generate any password that you like that you will remember. Now after filling up all these details, here tap on the stick button and tap on get activation code. So it will send you an activation code in your Gmail and you must enter this code and you'll be able to log in. So let's wait for some time again. So I've got my registration code, so I'm entering it. Now tap on OK. And now you'll be able to log in and your new account has been created. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.